Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Zoe, I am an automation advisor. Today I will show you how to automatically extract files from Zip archives. I will be using FibAudit Automation Workshop for this task. Automation Workshop is a no-code app that allows you to automate various computer tasks on Windows, including file compression and decompression. Let's start with the creation of an automated task. Workflows or tasks are created using the Task Creation Wizard, a tool that guides you through all the necessary steps. The whole process is quick and easy, and it doesn't require any programming knowledge. In this video, I want to show you how to automatically unzip a file that appears in a folder. Tasks that start automatically require a trigger. Let's add one. Automation Workshop features different triggers for various purposes, for example, to monitor remote servers for new files, and to monitor cloud storage. You can also monitor Windows services and processes. However, as I want to run a workflow when a new file is dropped into the monitored folder, I am choosing File and Folder Watcher. It allows an automated task to monitor both local folders and those shared on your local network. The first parameter I need to provide is a folder name that will be watched. I am typing a path to the My Files folder, but you can use a Browse button for your convenience. Also, since I want the trigger to only activate for archive files, I am providing a file mask that matches all zip files. I am leaving all other settings as is. Our trigger is ready, so I can continue with the wizard. Every workflow consists of actions. Actions are responsible for carrying out the actual work like file operations, email sending, and so on. Automation Workshop features more than 100 actions that can be used to automate tasks on Windows. In our case, I need an action that extracts files from archives. The action for unzipping is found under the compression category and is called Unzip Files. The first parameter I need to specify is an archive name. I can't provide a file name here, as no one knows which file will appear in the monitored location. So I will use the Variable Wizard button. The Variable Wizard is already suggesting that I use the full path and file name from the trigger we added in the previous step. I am accepting that. Now the archive file will always be automatically populated with a file name that just appeared in the monitored folder. The destination folder is a place where extracted files are placed. Currently, I am providing a fixed location. However, later in this video, I will show how to use current data as a folder name. It is possible to specify the type of an archive, but the auto-detect option will work just fine in our case. The Options tab allows us to fine-tune extraction settings. If a password is required to extract your files, you can provide it here. By default, the Unzip Files action extracts all files from an archive. However, I want to show you how to extract only specific files. I want to extract all PDF files and all Word documents as well. Multiple file masks are separated by a pipe or vertical bar separator character. Our workflow is ready. It currently contains only one action that extracts files. I will add some more later in this video. Adjust additional task settings as necessary. And as the last step, give this task a recognizable name. I will name it Auto Extract Invoices. We have gone through all the wizard steps and can finish the creation of our task. The task is now up and running and has begun monitoring the folder for new files. I could close Automation Workshop now, as it is already running in the background, but I will leave it open to see the log pane. The Invoices folder is where the extracted files will be placed, and I use the My Files folder as the monitored location for the file and folder watcher. I will drop my first file into the folder. As you can see, Automation Workshop immediately detected the new file and already extracted all PDF and Word documents from it. The detailed log of our workflow execution can be observed in the log pane. Additionally, all the logs can be accessed using the Log Manager. Now, let's enhance our automated task by adding logic to extract files and place them into a new folder named after today's date. Operations related to folders can be found in the Folders category. The Create Folder action is what I am looking for. As its name suggests, it is used to create new folders and folder structures. I want to create a subfolder in the Invoices folder. Name of the subfolder must contain today's date. I will use Variable Wizard again to create a dynamic value. I am using the date variable from the Date and Time category here. I want my date to be automatically sortable, so I am choosing the format year, month, day. Also, as a separator symbol, I am using a dash. The leading zeros option ensures that a day and month numerical value always has 2 characters by inserting a 0 before the digit when necessary. A preview of the variable is also shown for easy reference and verification. Now our new folder or path consists of 2 parts, a fixed name Invoices, and today's date in our preferred format. We have just enhanced our workflow. It now consists of 2 actions, to create a new folder and to extract files. Next, I am going to update the Unzip Files action to reflect the new folder path. I am removing the static path we had earlier. And I am accessing the Variable Wizard again to get the name of the newly created folder. Variables that are populated by actions are located under the Actions category. Here is the Create Folder action we just added. It returns only one variable that contains the folder name that it just created. From now on, our unzipping step will extract files to a folder named with today's date. I will save our workflow and we'll test it again. I am dropping another file in the monitored location. As you can see, a new folder was created, and our zip archive was extracted to the folder that contains today's date in our specified format. Break free from the constraints of manual effort. Endless automation choices await to revolutionize your computer tasks and optimize your time. If you have not yet downloaded Automation Workshop, please do so via one of the links below in the description. No registration is required, and it takes only a minute to try Automation Workshop. The time-saving effect is invaluable. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching. Till the next time.